Hi, my name's Don and welcome back to Project Urtle. In this episode we're on a road trip. We're on our way to Brisbane to pick up the body kit from Styromax. It's a 850 kilometre each way, so 1700 kilometre round trip for me, and it'll be a 2-day effort. So let's leave it there and we'll pick it up when there's something more interesting to see. So in order to bring the panel kit home from Styromax, I've built a temporary frame, roof rack if you like, that will bolt down onto the bed of the chassis and protrude out across the top of the roof of the cab, and I can take 3.6 metre long panels around about 1.7 metres wide, and I believe, if I've done my calculations right, those panels will be stacked about 5 or 6 high, and we'll probably have around about 200 kilograms up there. So this is what the rack looked like when it was bolted on, and you can see that I've added the water tank and a little bit more gear on the back there to just give us a bit more weight on the tail of the ute for the trip. It was a bit skittish without that. Upon arrival at Styromax's facility in Brisbane, we were able to do a quick walk through of their production facility. Here you can see the large laminating tables where the fiberglass foam sandwich is constructed and then vacuum bagged to give a really good solid bond between the components of the panels. Then from there it's over onto the large CNC routers, which are preloaded with the my designs, and each panel is cut out precisely. From there it was a matter of going and finding the pile of panels that were mine, and with the help of their forklift we loaded it onto the top of the ute. There was no dramas there, easy job, and we were ready then to start heading for home. Well, we made it home okay. Everything travelled nicely on the temporary rack I built, and these are just some of the panels stacked up here ready for assembly. You can see that here where there's going to be a hatch in the side, that the Styromax people have routed the frame holes, including the spaces for latches, etc., and they've left them just tacked in there with this little tab remaining, which I will cut when it's appropriate, and that'll keep the panel nice and stiff while we're assembling it, and the hatches will be cut out later. Here's the rest of the panels here, and this will be the passenger side, where there's a 2 hatch doors in the side, and you can see the cutout here for the personnel access door.